as umlamuleli mina I love i-mediumship yami cause ngithanda ukuthi idlozi lakho lisikhulumele inkinga zakho cause isiprophet sinamanga most of the time like isiprophet you can tell someone ukuthi yazi why unganamali awunamali ngoba bayakuthakatha but mina as a mediumship mangiconsult abantu likhona ukukhuluma idlozi maybe it's your grandmother asho ukuthi umntana wami akananhlakanipho ukusebenzisa imali siyamnika but kumele abe ne-financial plan inkinga yakhe ukuthi imali iphele is because of umlamuleli lo muntu imali uyayimosha you understand so bakhona abantu mangiba-consulta ngithola ukuthi idlozi lakhe limfulathele because uhambe iy'nyanga ezi-different alisafuni vele limkwatele
yeah. Oh, okay.
yabona so khona abanye mangiba-connecta nedlozi lawo ngithole ugogo umkhulu wakhe or umama wakhe athi lo mntana makahamba ayesiyoni makayesiyoni lo muntu lo ayeke ukuhamba inyanga ahamba yesiyoni mawuthi uyabheka loyo muntu vele uyayazi le ndaba leyo kumele ayesiyoni vele and then that's when you'll say no prophet yazi mina mengithi ngiyobhabhadiswa this weekend so you confirmed ukuthi kumele ngiyephi